Camel wool is carefully collected without harming the animal. This premium fiber is the foundation of luxury jackets. The raw camel wool is transported to the processing facility. Quality handling begins immediately. The wool arrives in its raw, unprocessed state. It must be thoroughly cleaned before use. Machines open the fibers to separate compacted wool. This prepares it for deep cleaning. Powerful air jets remove dust and impurities. Only clean fibers move forward. The wool is washed to remove oils and dirt. This step ensures softness and purity. Freshwater rinsing removes all detergent residues. The fibers are now clean and fresh. The wool is carefully dried under controlled heat. This preserves fiber strength. Carding aligns fibers into smooth layers. This prepares them for spinning into yarn.
The prepared wool is formed into soft slivers. These are ready for yarn production.
The wool sliver is spun into fine yarn using precision machines. Controlled twisting adds strength and flexibility. Multiple strands are combined for durability. This creates a premium quality yarn.
The yarn is wound into cones for easy handling. Each strand must remain perfectly even.
Every yarn is tested for strength and consistency. Only high-grade fibers move forward.
Proved yarn is prepared for weaving. This ensures uniform fabric quality.
Threads are aligned into warp formation. This sets the base structure of the fabric.
The loom is prepared for weaving. Each thread is carefully positioned.
Weaving begins with warp and weft interlocking. This creates the base fabric. Every thread locks precisely into place. Strength and texture are formed here. The woven fabric starts taking shape. Uniform texture is critical.
Every inch is inspected for perfection. Defects are immediately corrected.
Even tiny flaws are fixed instantly. This ensures flawless fabric.
Weaving continues at high speed. Precision remains constant. The fabric roll reaches full capacity. It's ready for processing. The fabric is cut from the loom. Next comes finishing treatment.
Color is enhanced using controlled dyeing. This gives the fabric its rich tone.
Heat treatment locks the color permanently. The fibers absorb the tone deeply. The fabric is dried to remove moisture. It prepares for soft finishing.
Softening enhances comfort and texture. This gives the fabric its luxury feel.
The finished fabric meets strict quality standards. It is now ready for jacket production.
The finished fabric is layered for precision cutting. Multiple layers ensure efficiency and uniformity.
Digital patterns guide the cutting process. Every piece is measured with accuracy. Precision cutting shapes each jacket component. Clean edges are essential for perfect stitching.
The cut panels are sorted and organized. Each piece has a specific role in assembly.
Each piece is labeled for accurate assembly. This avoids errors during stitching. Inner lining is prepared for comfort. It complements the outer wool fabric. The lining is cut to match outer panels. Perfect alignment is crucial.
Outer and inner layers are matched carefully. This ensures a flawless fit.
Stitching begins with precision seams. Strong threads hold the structure together. Double stitching strengthens key areas. This ensures durability.
The jacket body begins to take shape. Panels are joined seamlessly.
Sleeves are positioned with precision. Alignment is key for comfort. Sleeves are securely stitched into place. The jacket structure becomes complete. The collar is shaped using heat and pressure. This gives it a refined look. The zipper is carefully aligned. It ensures smooth functionality.
The zipper is securely stitched. Precision ensures durability.
The collar is attached with precision stitching. It defines the jacket's style.
Functional pockets are added. They combine utility with design.
Pocket seams are reinforced. This increases durability.
The inner lining is attached. It enhances comfort and insulation. Sleeve lining ensures smooth wear. It improves flexibility.
Loose threads are removed carefully. The finish becomes clean and sharp.
Buttonholes are crafted with precision. They ensure perfect alignment. Buttons are stitched securely. They add both function and style.
The brand label is added. It represents quality and craftsmanship. The jacket is shaped to perfection. It prepares for final finishing.
Steam pressing gives a flawless finish. The fabric becomes smooth and elegant.
Every jacket undergoes strict inspection. Only perfection is accepted.
Quality approval confirms excellence. The jacket is ready for delivery.
The finished jacket is carefully folded. Next comes premium packaging.
The jacket is prepared for final presentation. Every fold reflects luxury craftsmanship.
Sleeves are folded with perfect alignment. Symmetry enhances the premium look. The jacket is folded into a compact form. It protects structure during packaging.
A protective layer keeps the jacket safe. It maintains its pristine condition.
Brand identity is added inside the package. It reinforces quality and trust. A premium box is prepared for packaging. It reflects the luxury standard. Extra protection ensures safe delivery. It prevents damage during transport. The box is securely closed. It locks in the premium product.
A decorative ribbon enhances presentation. It adds a luxury finishing touch.
A shipping label is applied. It tracks the product journey. The package is scanned into the system. It enters the logistics network. Packages move through automated sorting. They are grouped for delivery. Packages are stacked for bulk transport. Efficiency speeds up delivery. Pallets are wrapped for stability. They are ready for shipment.
Forklifts handle heavy loads efficiently. Shipping begins here. The products are loaded for delivery. They begin their journey to customers. The truck is sealed and ready. Distribution is underway. The journey continues across long distances, delivering luxury worldwide. The shipment reaches distribution centers. Final delivery preparation begins.
Packages are sorted by location. They are routed for final delivery.
Packages are prepared for last-mile delivery. The final step is near.
The jacket travels to its final destination. A luxury experience awaits.
The jacket is revealed in its full elegance. Craftsmanship is visible instantly.
The jacket fits perfectly. Comfort meets luxury design. The final product reflects true elegance. A blend of tradition and innovation.
Every detail defines premium quality. This is craftsmanship at its finest. From raw camel wool to luxury fashion, a masterpiece is born.